Welcome to the world of apartment fitness. It's easier than you think to build a strong, muscular physique right in your own home. You don't need a fancy gym or expensive equipment to sculpt the body you desire. With the right mindset and a bit of creativity, your apartment can become your ultimate training ground. This guide is all about empowering you to achieve your fitness goals within the confines of your apartment. We'll explore effective workout routines, creative space utilization, essential equipment, and tips for staying motivated and injury-free. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this guide has something for you. Fitness is not about limitations, but about adapting and overcoming them. It's about transforming any environment into an opportunity for self-improvement. Your apartment, regardless of its size, can become your personal fitness sanctuary. Let's unlock the potential of apartment training together. So, get ready to sweat, to push your boundaries, and to discover the amazing fitness results you can achieve right in your own home. Your apartment gym awaits. Many people believe that building muscle requires a fully equipped gym. This simply isn't true. Your apartment can be just as effective for building strength and size. Apartment training offers a unique set of advantages that can make it even more appealing than traditional gym workouts. Firstly, convenience is paramount. You can train whenever you want, eliminating the need to travel to a gym. No more wasted time commuting or waiting for equipment. Your apartment gym is open 24/7, ready when you are. Say goodbye to crowded gyms and hello to a personalized fitness haven. Secondly, apartment workouts promote incredible bodyweight mastery. Bodyweight exercises are highly effective for building functional strength and muscle. You learn to control and manipulate your own body weight, a skill that translates to real-world strength and athleticism. Forget fancy machines. Your body is the ultimate training tool. Finally, training in your apartment instills a sense of discipline and resourcefulness. It teaches you to adapt, to utilize your surroundings, and to make the most of what you have. This mindset extends beyond fitness, empowering you to overcome challenges and achieve your goals in all areas of life. Bodyweight training forms the cornerstone of effective apartment workouts. It's a highly versatile and effective method for building muscle and improving overall fitness. By leveraging your own body weight as resistance, you can target various muscle groups and create challenging workouts. Push-ups, for example, are a fantastic exercise for building chest, shoulder, and tricep strength. They can be modified to adjust difficulty, from wall push-ups for beginners to decline push-ups for a greater challenge. Squats are excellent for leg development, working the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Add variations like jump squats for an explosive element. Pull-ups are another highly effective bodyweight exercise, targeting the back and biceps. If you don't have a pull-up bar, get creative. A sturdy door frame can be used for horizontal rows, working similar muscles. Don't underestimate the power of bodyweight exercises. They are the foundation of functional strength and can be incredibly effective for building muscle. By incorporating a variety of bodyweight exercises into your routine, you can create full-body workouts that challenge your muscles and promote growth. Remember to focus on proper form and progressively increase the difficulty as you get stronger. While bodyweight exercises are highly effective, adding some basic equipment can enhance your apartment workouts and provide greater variety. Don't worry, you don't need to convert your living room into a full-fledged gym. A few key pieces are all you need to take your training to the next level. Resistance bands are an excellent addition to any apartment gym. They are inexpensive, versatile, and take up minimal space. Resistance bands can be used for a wide range of exercises, targeting different muscle groups. They provide variable resistance, making them suitable for all fitness levels. A set of adjustable dumbbells is another valuable investment. Dumbbells allow for progressive overload, meaning you can increase the weight as you get stronger, stimulating muscle growth. Choose a weight range that challenges you while maintaining proper form. Finally, a jump rope is a fantastic tool for cardiovascular conditioning and calorie burning. Jumping rope is a high-impact exercise that engages multiple muscle groups and improves coordination. It's a fun and efficient way to elevate your heart rate and burn fat. By incorporating these basic pieces of equipment into your routine, you'll add variety and challenge to your workouts, maximizing your apartment training experience. Section 5. Maximizing your space creative workout zones. Limited space shouldn't limit your fitness potential. With a bit of creativity, you can transform your apartment into a dynamic workout zone. The key is to identify underutilized spaces and adapt them for your fitness needs. Your living room can become your central workout area. Clear some floor space for bodyweight exercises and stretching. Utilize furniture for modified exercises such as dips using sturdy chairs or rows using a coffee table. The hallway can be transformed into a cardio hub. It's a perfect spot for jumping jacks, high knees, and shadow boxing. The length of the hallway allows for shuttle sprints, adding an explosive element to your routine. Even your bedroom can be a fitness zone. Use your bed for incline push-ups or hip thrusts. The limited space encourages you to focus on controlled movements and precise technique. By thinking outside the box and embracing the potential of each space, you can maximize your apartment's workout possibilities. Section 6. The power of short workouts, making fitness fit. One of the biggest advantages of apartment training is the ability to fit workouts into your busy schedule. You don't need hours of gym time to see results. Short, intense workouts can be incredibly effective for building muscle and burning fat. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a great way to maximize your time. HIIT involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and brief recovery periods. This method elevates your heart rate, boosts your metabolism, and promotes muscle growth in a condensed time frame. Circuit training is another effective strategy for short workouts. Combine a series of exercises performed back-to-back with minimal rest. This keeps your heart rate elevated and targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Remember, consistency trumps duration. It's better to have regular short workouts than infrequent long sessions. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. You can split your workouts into even shorter segments if needed. Embrace the power of short workouts and make fitness a seamless part of your daily routine. Section 7. Staying safe, injury prevention in tight spaces. While apartment workouts offer numerous benefits, it's essential to prioritize safety, especially when training in a confined environment. Proper form, warm-up, and awareness of your surroundings are crucial for preventing injuries. Always prioritize proper form over lifting heavy weights or performing complex exercises. Focus on controlled movements and maintain tension in your muscles throughout each repetition. If you're unsure about proper form, consult online resources or seek guidance from a fitness professional. Warm up before each workout to prepare your body for exertion. Light cardio, dynamic stretching, and mobility exercises increase blood flow to your muscles and improve flexibility, reducing the risk of strains or tears. Be mindful of your surroundings. Ensure you have enough clearance to perform exercises safely. Move furniture to create sufficient space and watch out for any potential hazards. By prioritizing safety and being aware of your environment, you can minimize the risk of injuries and enjoy a safe and effective apartment workout experience. Section 8. Motivation and consistency. The keys to apartment fitness success. Maintaining motivation and consistency are crucial for achieving your fitness goals, especially when training at home. The absence of a gym environment can sometimes lead to distractions or lack of accountability. Here are some strategies to stay motivated and on track with your apartment workouts. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Start with achievable targets and gradually increase the intensity or duration of your workouts. Keep a workout log to monitor your improvements and celebrate your accomplishments. Seeing how far you've come can boost your motivation and keep you moving forward. Create a dedicated workout space in your apartment. Even a small corner designated for fitness can make a difference. Having a dedicated space helps to mentally prepare you for your workouts and minimizes distractions. Find a workout buddy or join an online fitness community. Having someone to share your fitness journey with can provide support, accountability, and encouragement. Engage with online fitness groups to connect with like-minded individuals, share tips, and stay motivated. Remember, consistency is key. Make fitness a non-negotiable part of your routine. Schedule your workouts like any other important appointment and stick to your plan. The more consistent you are, the better your results will be. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace your apartment gym. Your apartment, regardless of its size, can become your personal fitness sanctuary. With the right mindset and a bit of creativity, you can achieve remarkable fitness results without ever stepping foot in a traditional gym. Embrace the power of bodyweight training. Utilize basic equipment strategically and transform your living spaces into dynamic workout zones. Prioritize safety, maintain motivation, and remember that consistency is key to unlocking your full fitness potential. Make fitness a seamless part of your life, not an obligation. Enjoy the process, celebrate your progress, and embrace the journey of becoming the strongest, healthiest version of yourself. All within the comfort of your apartment gym.